Hold on, so much in the festival then?
Festival serve for the food.
Alright, my boss. Super man, this up.
Yeah, the potato salad there.
Potato salad. Big thing are going on. Watch it, man. Big thing are going.
Sweet potato salad, you know.
Nice. Great.
Yeah, what? Pasta.
Knowing pasta.
Any rasta.
See the boss say, the real rasta one, I might even think that, yeah, man.
See that?
What you call them, yo? See them there?
Festival. Naga carnival.
No, the man go get DJ, you know.
You see me? They have water. Raw veg.
Nice.
We don't move like no match.
Nice.
That's it. But you know, we not done yet. See how about it? Nice snapper. We don't move like no dapper.
What do you mean?
Yeah, man.
What is you have there?
The pork. We not run a joke.
No joke. You think you rhyme over this one? Let me try rhyme too. Because you keep me by yourself.
Oh, Jesus.
What again? The pork?
And the pork.
Like I'm here on joke.
Yeah, you run joke. No, this is jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken.
Yeah.
Jerk chicken.
Some boy move like a finger licking.
Alright, see?
Yeah.
Nice. And nobody say you got the soup. And the real chef is up here. Yeah, man. See the real chef over here, so. See the real chef over here, so having fish. Yeah, man. So this is a man where you say, if the catering, yeah, man. So you want a man to go, you cater up something for you, can just give him a shout. Talk to them, friend.
Yeah, man. My name is Steve Bryan, man.
Nice.
The number to call is 86-40-185.
Nice. Great.
Yeah, that's the number.
The man mats up anything for you, man. Anything for you. Great.